In this video, I'm going to show you how to export a movie in your iMovie program. So it's really easy to export a file here. I just have some random footage here. So what you're going to do after you've done your editing and your audio and all those things that you want to do to actually share and export your video, you want to go to the top right here where you see the little share button here, and you hit share, and then these options will come up. And I always just export file, so you just want to export your file. And this is just some basic information about your actual video, if it's the format and the quality and the resolution. So you just want to go from this point. If everything here is standard for you, just hit next, and then you just want to kind of pick a location for your actual movie or your MP4 here, and I'm just going to hit test, and you just hit save. So once you hit save, you'll notice the actual area up here by that share button. This will actually give you a duration of time, and you can click that, and it says exporting text test.mp4, and that's really it. That's how you quickly share or export your files from your iMovie to your computer. So I hope you guys found this useful, and make sure to like and subscribe for some more tips on your iMovie.